Good morning, students. Today we will study about chromosomal theory of inheritance. This theory was proposed by Walter Sutton and Theodore Boveri in 1902. It states that the pairing and the segregation of pair of chromosomes leads to segregation of a pair of factor they carried. Here factor means that gene certain united chromosomal segregation with Mendelian principle and called it the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Important statement of chromosomal theory are that is chromosome are vehicle of hereditary. They are transmitted from parent to the offspring. They are immortal. Two identical chromosomes with similar gene from a homologous pair. The homologous pair segregate during gamete formation. Independent pair segregate independently of each other. Chromosome are mutable means that mutation may take place in this. Genes are present on chromosome, hence they show similar behavior. Here with the help of this chromosome structure that we can see here, that mother and father, the chromosome, that gene for eye color, gene for enzyme A, that cytochrome C. So here segregation of chromosome we can see in this diagram, that is independent assortment chromosomal theory we can see, and based on this diagram we can say that the during meiosis homologous chromosome pair migrate as discrete structure that are independent of other chromosome pair. The sorting of chromosome from each homologous pair into pre-gamete appear to be random. Each parent synthesizes gamete that contain only half of their chromosomal complement. Even though male or the female gamete, sperm or the egg differ in the size and morphology, they have the same number of chromosomes, suggesting equal genetic contribution from each parent. The gametic chromosome combine during fertilization to form offspring with the same chromosome number as their parents. So based on this chromosomal theory of inheritance, which allow us to see the relationship between Mendelian's law and chromosomal transmission. So we can say that Mendel's law of segregation can be explained by the homologous pairing and segregation of chromosome during meiosis, as well as Mendel's second law of independent assortment that can be explained by the relative behavior of different non-homologous chromosomes during meiosis. Thanks for today.